What's up? Here it is. We all know it's been coming. The 2021 KTM 890 Adventure R. Now, I don't know what it looks like. I've only got this side shot of it, so I'm not sure if they made it any narrower. A lot of people's issues with the 790 is how fat and bulky it looks at the bottom because this tank. It's a sharp-looking bike everywhere else besides if you're looking at it straight on and you're seeing this tank. So, you know, this 890's got the same style tank and everything, so it's probably going to look similar. Be really cool if they found a way to narrow it, though. Yeah, the 890 is KTM's new motor, guys. And so, you know, 889cc dual overhead cam, dual balancer shafts. This motor is supposed to be a lot better. 20% more rotating, new crankshaft with 20% more rotating mass for improved engine character. New sensors, new forged box piston that's lighter, you know, cylinder, head, oil jets, gears, everything is different. Frame, this is a whole new machine, updated suspension, spoked wheels with anodized hubs. The brakes are updated just like the 890 Dukes. This is going to be a whole different bike, guys, and hopefully it's going to be a lot better. Hopefully they figured out some of the brake issues and a few other small things. Here's what I'm excited about, though. Look at this 890R Rally. Is that like that green color that they have on the Super Duke R for the tank? That looks amazing. This is super sharp, and it comes with the Akrapovic. Now, these are going to be limited. They're only going to do 700 units worldwide. Not sure how many are going to get to the U.S., but both models are supposed to be available in November. So, you know, for dealers to order at the beginning of November, so we might see some of these in dealerships before December. Man, that looks beautiful. But can run down the list here. It's got the TKC 80s, Rally foot pegs. The Rally comes with the quick shifter. It's got all the modes. It's got the motor slip regulation. It's got all that stuff stock. So just really, really sweet looking machine. Definitely look for some other videos better than mine with some more detailed reviews on these, but I just wanted to drop this news as soon as I saw it and get it out to you guys. Man, I cannot get over how good this looks. They dropped a press release. Pretty much says all the same stuff. More power and torque, reinforced clutch, improved ABS and traction control, reworked shifting for faster gear changes, updated quick shifter plus, new handlebar switch for cruise control, new suspension settings. So this is awesome, guys. Like I said, there's the regular, there's the Rally. Just looks awesome. So stay tuned for more from KTM on this 2020 890 Adventure R. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.